Research Institute for Microwave and Millimeter Wave Studies, or RIMMS, is a postgraduate institute of NUST offering Masters and PhD in electrical engineering with a special focus on integrated circuits as well as RF and microwave. It has unique research and measurement facilities, especially the anechoic chamber for antenna characterization up to 40 GHz. The EMC-EMI lab for compatibility measurements and the microwave research lab with all the necessary equipment. RIMMS is undertaking a number of R&D projects from the government as well as private sector in the domain of radar front ends, MIMO antennas, jammer antennas, and integrated circuits. As the conference General Chair, I would like to welcome all of you to the International Conference on Antennas, Microwave and Circuits, ICMAC 2021. This conference is the culmination of a 4-year-long journey which started off with the establishment of the Pakistan's first joint chapter of MTT, AP, EMC and the CAS societies. The conference brings together an interesting program spread over 2 days, covering the thematic areas of microwave, antennas and circuits, including keynote speeches from renowned professors, an industrial exhibit, more than 50 contributed research papers, a social program as well as a poster session.